There's nothing more irritating than having to redo a step in your project because you were in a rush and measured wrong. We've all made this mistake, so it's good to know how marking and measuring tools can help you get the job done faster and more accurately. Now, a light-duty tape measure may seem convenient because of its size, but heavier-duty tape measures have some features that make them more versatile and easy to use. Look at the markings. Quarters, eighths, and sixteenths of an inch should be marked clearly. If you need more precision, you can get one that goes down to 30 seconds. Large markings and high contrast colors make it easier to see the increments. But with the fractional measurements printed right on the tool, there's even less room for error. Self-centering tape measures have a foolproof way to find the halfway point of a measurement. The halfway point is labeled just below the full measurement. Check the blade standout. If it extends 9 to 10 feet before it snaps, you'll be able to take large measurements without relying on a helper. The hook at the end of a tape has some play to get an accurate read both inside and outside of the measurements. It compensates for the gap at the end. If the tab bends or breaks, it's time to replace it. A little torpedo level is great to have for straightening pictures, hanging small items, or quick checks. Longer levels are even more accurate than shorter levels, and they're great for marking long, level, straight edges. A box-shaped level resists twisting and bending, so it's generally longer lasting than an eye-shaped one. A laser level is a great time saver when you're installing chair rail, wallpapering, painting wall stripes, or hanging pictures along a stairwell. Here are a couple of more tips to help you choose the right tool. A magnetic feature on your tape measure or level is handy when working with metal studs or ductwork. Now you want to get yourself one of these. It's a carpenter's pencil. It's flat, so it won't roll off of your work surface. For the tips, advice, and tools you need, visit your neighborhood Ace. And find us online at acehardware.com.